Hey Siri, unlock the front door. Hello everyone! Today I'm opening something interesting. Not exciting. Not very exciting. Interesting. I'm just kidding. Isaac likes to mock me in my unboxing videos, but there's only so many ways you can describe things that you are interested in. And I just find all these very exciting because I'm a bit of a nerd. And today, this is something that when I told Isaac we need, he said we don't need that, that's dumb. And that's like before he locked himself out of this house. A lot of times before we had people staying in our house and watching our animals who also got locked out. This is no longer a problem.
Awesome.
This is upside down. This is the level lock, and it's Apple Home compatible. So my goal in life, as lame as that sounds, is to build an Apple-controlled smart home. Why? Because my full-time job is writing about Apple products, which means I get a lot of Apple products, which means my home is ruled and spied on by Tim Cook. The wind is evil.
That's probably him.
What?
Tim Cook.
Tim Cook? Sorry, I love you! This is the Level Lock Plus, and this comes in black and silver, and since our HOA has rules, I don't even know if we're allowed to change our own lock, to be honest. But this looks very similar to what we have. So this Level Lock Plus is available in black and silver. They also have like different finishes, like satin. And I don't currently remember if this one was $329 or $399. I'll check on that and let you know. But well, before I open it, actually, let me read the back. Impossibly small, the smallest smart lock ever made with technology hidden on the inside of the door. That's amazing because, like I said, we have an HOA. We don't want them to be like, why'd you change the lock? What is this? They like to pressure wash our door. I don't think any of that will affect this. I will need to make sure. They did ask us, do you have a smart lock? And I said no last time, so we didn't, and now we will. So, it's the smallest smart lock ever made with technology hidden on the inside of the door. You can unlock it with iPhone or Apple Watch. That means no more keys. Do you know how often the person holding the camera, the dude holding the camera, forgets his key? And it's usually when I'm in the bath, and he's like, let me in, and I'm like, climb through the window, because I'm not getting up. Happens a lot. The other cool thing about this is we have a smart Ring doorbell. So let's say someone's coming over, they ring the doorbell, they're like, hey, it's raining, we have a really cool tech device for you, what should we do? We're like, plop, door's unlocked, come on in, put it in, goodbye. Careful doing that. You never know if they're lying about having nice, expensive tech for you. But being able to open it is amazing. So this is compatible with Apple Home. I can tell Siri to open the door. I can do it with my watch, my phone, anything, my computer. It's so amazing. You can share with guests. You need to give a guest your key and have them lose it. You can have a smart key. If you have an Airbnb, you can have a smart key and give people access temporarily and then ban them from accessing it again after they're done staying. This is, like, amazing. A lot safer than a real lock as long as you can't hack it. I don't know anything about the security of that, but I assume it's just as safe as having a key that you can lose. Or, you know, a window that someone can break in. If someone wants to break into your home, they will likely succeed. I don't believe any lock can stop them. It does say it's meets the highest standards of security, durability, and finish. Certified AAA by BHMA. I don't know what that means, but maybe you do. And I do like that it just looks like a regular lock. So it's not like someone will see it and be like, that's a smart lock, let me try to hack it. They'll be like, where's the key? And there is none. Oh, maybe there is. We'll find out if there's a key. And there's some compatibility checklist, but I think this is pretty standard. It's compatible with iOS devices, of course. Wow, that's how you open it. Ha! I'm a genius. The door has to be 2 inches, max. You need to make sure that it's compatible with your door. But I think it's pretty standard. Now it's ugly. Sorry about that. Oh well. Here it is. Let me put it back in. It looks like this. This is going to be a whole other video where we show you how to set this up. We are not the smartest at smart locks. I find that a lot of these smart devices make people feel very stupid. So I am ready to be humiliated, but I think it's going to be worth it. Let's see if there's anything else in here. Nope. And look, it's all paper. There's absolutely no plastic except for the stuff that was on this, and of course, do not eat this. I just got a handbag that looks like one of these. It's amazing. So, here is, as Isaac likes to call it, the literature. What are you stuck to? Let's unstuck you there. Of course, you can set it up with a little QR code. I don't know if this is secret. I don't know if you can scan this and get access to my home. So I won't show it to you that much, but here is how to set it up. And we will make another video. Subscribe and follow us to see us actually setting this up. I assume we will take a long time doing it, but I'm pretty sure this is relatively easy. I don't think we've ever changed the lock on our own. Have we, Isaac? We have?
Yes, we have.
Isaac has. I have never changed any lock, smart or not. So here is the hardware. And a little battery. Oh, I have never seen a battery like this. And it does come with a key, which I've been told to hide because people can take a picture of it and copy and get into your house. But not if my house is smart. All these things. I'm not going to open all this. These are all tools, so I don't want to lose these. Do we lose these things sometimes, Isaac?
Never.
Never. But yeah, this is how it looks. I assume this is where the battery goes. This is all extremely exciting. And, ooh, S and L. I'm not sure what that means. But we have a smart lock. Literally leveled up in life.
And you can stop bugging me when we're in bed about making sure the door is locked.
Hey Siri, is the door locked? Yes. Or, hey Siri, lock the door. It's amazing! Now we need a second one for a screen. So, yeah, follow us to see us setting this up.
Whoa, you can just use a card?
We can use a card as well. Want to bet that we can put this on your ring?
Probably. The card thing is nice because then if you don't have a smartwatch or something, you can use that.
We leave this in the C word. We have dogs around. We can't say the C-A-R word. But we'll keep one of these there. Maybe you shouldn't know that.
Maybe bury one somewhere.
Literally bury one outside? Okay. This is great. This is really cool. This is what we give to guests. Like, hey, it's like a hotel. Oh my god, and want to bet that you can add these to your Apple Wallet because this is all HomeKit compatible. I'm really excited to see the different ways that you'll be able to unlock this door. I will make an entire list. I will have lots of cool videos about this. I'll probably include this in every single video I can include it in. So, thank you, follow us, and aloha.
This is Olena. And I'm Isaac.
We're moving to Hawaii! But first,
We're driving from New York City to Seattle
with Smiley, our 9-year-old rescue pitty.
in our Tesla Model 3, equipped for camping.
And we are funding this trip with our Etsy store.
Meaning we are bringing around 50,000 earrings.
And 500 envelopes.
And our label printer.
On this 11-day cross-country road trip.
Subscribe to the Travel Bug Bite today! If you liked our video, don't forget to click the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. Check out our videos from all around the world and let us know what you'd like to see next.
Thanks for watching!